Learn some English with Crystal.
Hello, my friends. How are you? Today we will learn about the letter E because E comes after D. And E has more than one sound. The sound A, like elephant, like egg, like empty, and the sound E, like ear, like evening, like Easter. Now let's learn how we trace the letter E. Take a white paper or a marker board and let's trace it together.
Start from the top, do a straight line down to the bottom, then go back to the top, do a straight line out to the side, then go to the middle, do a straight line out to the side, then go to the bottom, do a straight line out to the side.
Goodbye everyone. Take care.